Celebrations overseas, it's not just one evening event. It is a story that goes along few days and few evenings. It's a story that needs to leave an emotional fingerprint on everybody that is attending. Taking care of all the logistics, design, locations, rabbis, photographers, chefs, that goes without saying. Now we need to think about how to create this emotional fingerprint. Because of our knowledge for years about location and history of this land, we actually can combine the two parts. Taking traveling in Israel, understanding in complexity, and fitting the right location with the right story in order to create that moment that is not leaving anything, just good memories and emotional memories, something that people remember. So if you're looking for an event and a celebration that is a little bit different, that have a story, that have an emotional fingerprint, we're definitely your address.